Let's look at Track Callout in category C2 Trackx 4 under Effects. Track Callout is intended for adding a label to an element in a shot and tracking it to the movement. The default is set to track only X and Y movement while ignoring perspective, rotation, and scaling. So first we add the effect to the clip, and then click on the drop zone and choose the image or clip we want to use, and click Apply Clip. We can now open the Trackx editor. So the first thing we should do is very roughly set the size and position for the callout. It doesn't have to be exact as we can adjust it later, but it's a good idea to set the relative position before tracking. Now we don't actually want to track using the entire bounding box of our callout, as it doesn't really have a connection to the area we are tracking. So what we do first is draw a new shape around his nose here. We then change the mask mode to replace instead of add. Notice that our callout clip disappeared, but that is just temporary. We will bring it back after we finish tracking. Now we can click the Track Forward button. The indigo shape shows you the area that is being followed by the tracker. Let's jump ahead to where the track is finished. Now we can turn off the shape we made for tracking, and the callout image appears again, and we can see that it works well tracking the tiger's nose area. To fine-tune the position, we could just drag the orange frame using the on-screen controls. However, a better way to do it in this case is to go into Image Transform and use the controls here to tweak the position of the callout. This leaves the position of the tracking mask intact, in case you need to fix any part of the original track. So we can tweak it a bit more and then save changes and see the result in the timeline. So that is Track Callout in Trackx 4 for Final Cut Pro.